Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Salesforce to Gmail filters for lead capture step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Salesforce account in your web browser. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Setup menu. In the Setup search bar, type Email to Salesforce. Select the Email to Salesforce option from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to find your unique Salesforce email address. Copy the Salesforce email address for later use. Next, open your Gmail account in a new tab. Log in to your Gmail account. In Gmail, click on the gear icon in the upper right corner. Select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Click on Create a new filter. In the filter form, enter the criteria for the leads you want to capture. For example, you might filter by specific keywords in the subject line. Click on Create Filter to proceed. On the next screen, select Forward it to. Paste your Salesforce email address into the box. Make sure to check the box for Also Apply Filter to matching conversations. Finally, click on Create Filter to save your changes. Your Gmail filter is now set up to forward lead emails directly to Salesforce. Check back in your Salesforce account to confirm the leads are being captured. Repeat these steps for any additional filters you want to create. Now you can efficiently manage your lead capture directly from Gmail into Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.